Ukrainian attack targets in Russian Belgorod region again. Explosions are heard as Russian air defense is also seen operating.
Вон еще минимум 2 прилета там.
Heavy fighting is ongoing in Vuhledar and its surroundings. Russians have stepped up offensive actions in this area. In the Kharkiv region, the 3rd Assault Brigade successfully destroyed a Russian Tor anti-aircraft missile system and a TOS-1A Sontsepyak flamethrower. They also attacked a 2A 36 Hyacinth B towed 152mm field gun, Russian trucks, and several antennas using drones. Big Cat's unit going through Sudzha checkpoint towards Russia on 30 August. The Ukrainian armed forces continue to transfer military personnel to Kursk region. Footage from inside the Konakovo power station in Russia, struck by a drone, causing a fire. And let's see again the footage of the attack.
Люди уже собираются. Время 5 утра. Конаковский. Народ отчаянный. А вот и третий, жахнул.
Russia continues to terrorize Kharkiv by striking civilian infrastructure and the city as a whole, resulting in over numerous injuries so far, according to President Zelensky. All necessary forces have been mobilized for the rescue operation. Zelensky emphasized that stopping this terror requires courage from leaders to provide Ukraine with the necessary resources for defense. The number of injured in Kharkiv has risen to 41, including 5 children. The moment of a Russian missile strike in Kharkiv. The U.S. considers it unlikely that the F-16 was shot down by friendly fire from a Patriot system, according to the New York Times, citing 2 senior U.S. military officials. Investigators are focusing on the possibility of mechanical failure or pilot error instead. And for the end, footage of the 3rd Assault Brigade's counter-offensive in Kharkiv this summer. The translation is from our friend Dmitry from War Translated.
Разбегаемся! До дерев, до дерев!
Впереди наши! Наши прямо!
Наши там, наши там!
Линию растягивайся. Я за ним. Держи. Крой, крой. Я левее за ним. Все целы.
Да!
Четверку и Кали, они там!
Плюс! Скала, речь! Фредик, за мною! Где твой аптек? Вигружаємо! Швидше, швидше, швидше. Давай, 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 швидше, швидше.
Лям, я муди. Работай, работай. Работай. Давай, блядь, тебе не эмоции вообще.
Ще зі мною.
Собирай своих людей. Штурмовали туда. Давай, бег, давай. Только ты что ты? И саперы.
Сам мої там, я йду їх там збирати.
Нужно с теми типами штурмовать ту М-ку.
Да, мої там десь висадилися, йду їх знайду.
Давайте, да, и М-ку продвигайте тоже туда.
Да, плюс. Парад, М-ка, парад!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.